Hello my dear friends, welcome to Learn SAP FICU. Friends, today we are going to discuss about document splitting. Before starting, I request you all, if you like the video, so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all my coming videos. So let's start today's session. As I discussed earlier also, document splitting is used to generate the balances, trial balance or financial statements as per business place or your profit center, your segment. Apart from the company code level, after activation of document splitting, when we use the profit center wise, business place wise or your segment at transaction level on line item level, then system passes the same in another line item, that is your vendor, customer or asset, due to which we can able to generate the balances, trial balance. Otherwise, what happens when we pass the transaction, so that time we can see the profit and center only on line item, GL line item. We cannot see the profit center on the fields of vendor, master, vendor line item. We cannot see the business place or profit center on your customer line item or on your asset line item. But after activation of document splitting, whatever the transaction is passes on the line item, transaction line item, the same will passes on your another line item, that is your vendor, customer or asset. So what is the result? We can match your trial balance. Otherwise, before document splitting, without activation of document splitting, we cannot match the trial balance. So to match the trial balance, we activate the document splitting. There are three types of document splitting in SAP. First is activate document splitting. What is active document splitting? This will split the document based upon expense or revenue line items. The active document splitting will split the document based upon your expense or revenue line item. For example, your posting is done in expense GL in entry view. What is the entry of that? Here I have mentioned the entry also. Your entry will be in entry view is expense account debit with the amount 1000 rupees in a profit center Noida, and your another expense account debited with the amount of rupees 2000 in another profit center, that is Manesar, to your vendor account of rupees 3000. Here you can see the profit center is not mentioned in your vendor line item. The profit center we can mention in the expense line item in a entry view of expense. So this is the entry where your expense account is debited and your profit center is Noida, and another expense account is debited with amount 2000 rupees with the Manesar profit center, and your vendor account is 3000 rupees. Now, after activation of document splitting, what happens? See, after activation of document splitting, system will split the document in following manner by using the profit center selected in expense line item. So there are two types of view. First, I have discussed the entry view, which we enter before activating the document splitting. This is the entry view, how the system does the transaction. This is the simple manner before activating the document splitting. But after activation of document splitting, what system does in general ledger view, that is, here your same example I am following. this is the same example I am taking for after activation of document splitting also, so that your concept will clear what happens after activation of document splitting. Here see, your expense account is debited of 1000 rupees for Profit Center Noida, and your expense account again debited of 2000 rupees for Profit Center Manesar. Here your vendor reconciliation account will be credited for your Profit Center Noida of 1000 rupees, here this one, and two vendor account will be credited for 2000 rupees for Profit Center Manesar. So now here you can see, after activation of document splitting, what system does. System take the Profit Center, system split the document into two parts. It will take the Profit Center same as you have taken in the expense line item. System will take the Profit Center same in a vendor line item also. So this is the major difference after activation of document splitting. System will take the similar Profit Center as you have taken in the expense line item. It will take the similar in your vendor line item. So this is the purpose to activate the document splitting. Now when we will make a trial balance, so that time your trial balance will match, because we have taken in a same Profit Center. I hope it is clear to all. The concept should be clear to all. Now next type of document splitting is passive document splitting. Second type of document splitting is passive document splitting. Now what is passive document splitting? System split the document based on clearing line item. In a passive document splitting, system will split the document based upon clearing line item. At the time of payment, system check the invoice document and split the vendor line item of a payment document. At the time of payment, system check the invoice document. System will check the invoice document and split the vendor line item of a payment document. See how is it. Here we will make next is zero balance document splitting. In this case, system split the document by using zero balance clearing account used of document splitting. Now here system will use the zero balance clearing account to split the document. So what is the entry in entry view? For example, expense account is of rupees 2000 rupees for a Profit Center Noida to bank account of 2000 rupees for Profit Center Manesar. Here you have paid this amount by this bank of a Profit Center Manesar. Here you can see your expense account of Profit Center Noida, and you paid through a bank account of Profit Center Manesar. Focus on this here. We have taken the different Profit Center. So after activation of document splitting, system will split the document in the following manner by using the zero balance clearing account for both the Profit Center. How the entry will occur? In general ledger view, that is, here your expense account will be debited of rupees 2000 for Profit Center Noida. Same example I am following. And your zero balance clearing account will be debited of rupees Profit Center Manesar. Your zero balance clearing account will be debited of rupees 2000 rupees for the Profit Center Manesar, and your bank account will be credited for your profit center Manesar, and your zero balance clearing account will be credited of amount 2000 for your profit center Noida. So this is the entry after activation of document splitting. Here system will split the document through the zero balance clearing account. So these are the document types. These are the document splitting types. These three which we have discussed today. First is your active document splitting, which split the document based upon the expense or revenue line item. Second is your passive document splitting, which split the document based upon your clearing line item. And next is third, zero balance document splitting, which split the document based upon your zero balance account, zero balance clearing account. So these are the three document splitting types. In our next video, we will discuss the configuration steps of document splitting. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share the videos with your friends. See you soon in our next video. Till then, do practice. Goodbye.